So stable, and then she falls. She just about fell. That would have been gold.
Oh. What is happening? Oh.
So what you were just doing outside?
Look at that. See, it follows my face. The tracking on this is pretty good. Woo!
Your phone's racist. Why won't it look at me?
It can't see you. Let me see if I can.
Your gimbal's racist.
Why can't I move the tracking?
Because it's racist.
Okay, let's try to just. There you go.
By the way, I don't remember exactly where she lives. From this point on, I am operating off of you guys.
You just go straight.
Turn right onto Pottery Road.
Or you could just drop her off at the Dairy Queen.
Or the Dairy Queen.
She'll be fine.
The Dairy Queen.
I'm used to Dairy Queen. I know how to get home from there.
To the left, to the left. Just because I walk in the room.
Where's my smoothie? You have it.
Ray. Oh, yo, it sees him.
What do you mean? He sees the shadow man.
He said it. I did not. That means it's allowed.
That means you were thinking it.
I was not thinking it.
Already racist.
I was just thinking my darishly good-looking friend, Ray.
Could you get any closer? I don't think I see my pores. Or am I going straight?
Yeah, go straight.
What are you waiting for? Do it!
Straight is great.
Just do it! Yes, you can!
Woo, it works!
Just do
Yo,
it!
the tracking's decent.
It's pretty dope.
I might just keep it.
Why wouldn't it?
I might not let it go for $50.
Oh, I see. I don't think she'll go get it.
It doesn't want to leave you, Ray. I can't even, look, I'm trying to, turn it away. Come over here. Come over here. It's like, what is Ray doing? What are we doing today, Ray?
Go to a drone meet, motherfucker.
You have to always be filthy mouth.
Mother,
I have a child.
I got two. I got two.
You can pull over. Sorry, we're going.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, pull over.
Did we pass it?
Pull over. Yeah.
Okay. There you
Did
go.
I pass the house?
Yeah, it's all good. It's just back there. We're good.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Have
Oh.
fun with all the nerds.
Okay, bye.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Yeah.
I used to work at that company.
Nice. We're going to our first whoop race. We're gonna have a whoop time, a whooping time. It's gonna be my third day flying a Mo Beetle. Yeah, I'm gonna get wrecked. Or I'm gonna wreck the drone. I just feel like it's gonna die, because that's what happens.
No, it's gonna be a good time.
I'm gonna have a good time.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
Okay. I just want to tell you all the people I meet today that you're all wonderful.
Awkward. On the fly. Get out of here.
Damn it, it's not working.
This weather? It was a really nice drive.
Oh my god, it's locking on everyone's face.
I'm not sure.
He forgot his other controller.
It's really cool to go and meet all the guys and see this world of racing. I didn't know how to change channels properly and do all this stuff, so it was really kind of more of a learning experience. I didn't have that much fun this time because it was just terrible. Fun little tip, if you're doing these races, if you actually take off your antennas, it makes the picture so much clearer, and I didn't really learn that until later. I don't know, was your first race experience like that? Or did you have a great time right away? This was my worst experience So I'm going to show you a flight now from one of the pilots, Solus, and he shows you how it's done. I'll also have a link to his channel in the description below. He's a pretty cool guy and he designs some of our tracks. This was like, I think, our first race. Solus is ripping. You can see him get better and faster by his third lap. Don't forget to like this video. If you want to see the whole racing journey, I have a playlist with these races in it. At least the ones I go to if I can. Thanks always for the support. If you really want to support me, go join that Patreon. I could use it with all the stuff I've been breaking. Anyways, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. You can help be a part of that too. Smoochy smoochy. Love you long time.